Let's fix notifications if they're not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to get notifications, but it's not popping up when you get a call, a text message, an app gives you a notification, any of those different things, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So let's hop into settings here. And what we will do is we will tap on focus midway down. So you can see on here, I have the YouTube focus turned on. You can see that that will limit the notifications that I get while I'm on my phone. So you wanna make sure you don't have any focus modes, do not disturb, any of that turned on. You can always just swipe down from the top right here. And if it is turned on, just toggle off that do not disturb. That sometimes helps with those notifications coming through. Now, the next thing that we will do is tap on notifications here. And you can go through this list and make sure that everything is turned on. So you can see on here I have lists, and under show previews, I have either when unlocked, or you can choose always if you want to. And then if you scroll down, you want to make sure specific apps that you expect notifications from are turned on. So for instance, if you're getting messages, you can tap on there and make sure that all of these are toggled on so that you will get these message notifications if you do get a text message. So the next thing that we do after we go through all that and make sure those notification settings are turned on is to make sure screen time is not limiting our notifications. So let's go back and we'll tap on screen time. And then you can tap on content and privacy restrictions. And at the very top, we want to toggle off these content and privacy restrictions. Sometimes these limit your ability to get any kind of notifications. And you can always just go back and if you wanted to completely turn off screen time, if you don't necessarily want it or use it, you can completely turn that off and that won't interfere with any of your notifications. Now, going through all of these different steps, if you're still having issues, you can just tap the volume up, volume down, and then tap and hold on that side button there until your phone force shuts down, and then you can restart it, and basically that helps to fix any kind of bugs. If there's a bug in your operating system as it's running, just force shutting everything down and rebooting everything helps to fix those notifications. The last thing that I'll suggest you do is just head into General, and then we'll scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then we'll hit reset here. And then we'll just at the very top hit reset all settings. That will reset all of your settings, including notifications, back to factory default. And a lot of times fixes any kind of issues if those notifications are not coming through. Hope this helps. Do you have any questions on that? Leave them in the comments down below. And I'll catch you on the next one.